So this is a little saucer that was under my pot plant in my garden on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. So as you can see, they were all single strands, very similar to the ones floating on the top. And I put this dish in the sun, and you can see now that all of the strands are actually wriggling and then connecting to other strands. Whereas before, when it was in the shade and I first took it out, they were all separated. So what is this? We've had days and days and days of rain. What is this in the rain? They look like strands of plastic, grey plastic, metallic almost. And the heat of the sun is making them active. So if we drank this water, if this was in our water supply, or rained down on us, is this what it would do in our bodies? Okay, so I had just put that in the shade for a little while, and I've just brought it back into the sun. there you go. I've topped it up with water again. Hot water, boiled water, straight out of the kettle. And it looks like they've become inactive. Hopefully they're dead, I don't know. Or disabled or whatever. I don't know what to call them or what to say about them. I don't think they're organic. Anyway, there you go. Share that with you.